Okay, can we have everyone's attention, please? Okay, everyone's attention. What are we gonna do right now?
Treasure hunt!
Hey Matthew, leave the trucks here.
Yeah, we should probably leave those here, bud. Because you're gonna be so busy looking for clues that you're gonna need both hands.
Is there gonna be sticks on?
I can't tell you.
There will be 7 areas that we will be traveling to, and each area has a hidden map. And the map in each area will lead you to the next area. But nobody knows in the area that we're at where the map is. So we need all your help to try and find the map.
Okay.
Okay?
Kids to kids. Come on, birthday boy. Let's have some fun.
Okay.
Okay.
So here's the first map. Ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
The first map is somewhere in this front yard.
Okay, everyone go look for it.
Where is it? Where is the map?
How has nobody found it yet?
Where is the treasure chest map?
Treasure chest. No, wait. That's not we found something. It's a map. The map. Okay, this is the backyard. And this is the lake. All right, so we have to go in his backyard. And then we go up to
Whose
the lake.
backyard though?
Your backyard. Oscar's backyard. And then
Oscar's backyard.
so we're gonna go. Okay, let's go.
Purple.
My backyard. You lead the way. You lead the way. Everybody.
We have to be careful crossing the street.
Run, boy. No. Run, kid, run. Super stop in your backyard. In your yard.
Spread out. Could be anywhere.
Do you think it is, Ivy?
I don't think it's in the
Okay, keep looking out somewhere else.
Let's work together, team. Alright, it's not in the sandbox,
Okay,
everybody.
it's not in the sandbox.
It's
So
not
where
in
else
the
could we go?
sandbox. Let's go find somewhere else. Wait, maybe up in the rock climber.
Oh, let's look in the rock climber.
Yeah, I know. I found it. Oh, it's the clue. I found it. Emma found it. I found it. Okay, so here's our house. No, this is Oscar's house. Okay, so we need to over big tree. Yeah. So and then go to the pond now. The pond? Yeah, right here, right here. Okay, so do you know where the pond is? Yes.
Follow Caleb.
Wait, follow Caleb.
Give it to me.
I'll follow
Hey, now don't get too far ahead of the adults, okay?
Follow Caleb, everybody. Follow him. Where's the pond? The pond? It's the picture. Oh no.
Hey, slap everyone else. Slap everyone else.
Stop! Stop, everybody! Chew now.
Oh, we gotta tie shoes. Everybody pause. Pause
I
on your
don't
shoes.
need. I have supersonic speed.
Oh, well, those never need to be tied.
All right.
That's good.
Hey, snap, snap, Oscar, Oscar, snap, snap. Crossing the street. Run, catch up. Be careful.
We're here in the wilderness. Okay. Fine. It has to be a place. Maybe in a tree? No. It has to be the place. The place where we find anything that could. Is this poison ivy? Yeah,
No.
I think so. Caterpillars eat it too.
Caterpillars eat poison ivy?
No! Come on! I see some white. There must be poison ivy in here. I don't want to get poison ivy.
Okay, then don't go in that way.
Yeah, let's don't go that way. That's where all the alligators are, too.
Oh, Caleb, you're gonna climb this tree?
Sorry.
Here, I'll help you.
No.
You got it?
I see it.
You see
Can
it?
you please climb the tree? It has an X right there, and I need to climb the tree. Get down. Get down. I see it. How come I can climb the tree at home, but I can't climb the tree here? Actually, I can.
Flip-flops are hard to
Where is
climb.
it? I got shoes. I got shoes.
Oh, Oscar has shoes on.
Where is it? It's right there. I see it. So I have to get it, Daddy. Daddy, you have to get it. I can get it. No. I can get it. No.
Maybe if you guys work together, you can. Oh yeah.
Who is it?
Ivy, I think.
Ivy.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
I can't see. She's right here. Ivy! Ivy's right there,
Oh, she got it!
Ivy, you got it. Ivy! Right, now I open it. I open it.
All right, Grady's got the next map. So here's where we are, by the big tree, and there's a trail by an amphitheater.
And then amphitheater.
All right, so let's take the trail, which is right here.
Okay. The trail. Oh yeah, here's the trail. It's a long way. Dogs will probably pee and probably there's a sign here. There's a sign here right here.
Okay, it says go this way for the trail.
Can you please go with them, please? Alright, Emma's in front. Alright, everybody, follow Emma. We're going far, far away. Now we're trying to find all of them. No, it's okay. The amphitheater! It's empty! Yeah! Oh, here
Hey,
at
let's
the
see the clue. Everyone look. It's this amphitheater here where all the benches are.
I've been here before. I've been here before. A long time I've been here.
Look onto the bench.
No, I don't know.
Ta-da! Go!
Where's the birthday boy?
Hey! Hey, you're nice!
Let's go find the clue. Let's find the next clue.
Come on, Mommy Dinosaur! Where's the clue? I know, we look so silly and are you gonna find it? Is it find the clue?
No one's found it yet. It's in the amphitheater.
It's so hot.
That was good commitment.
Just me, guys.
It's not even in here, Uncle Joe. Maybe you did it for me.
No.
Give that to Caleb.
Go give it to Caleb.
Can I look at it? Where was it?
Are you okay?
Can you read it for me? No, I don't know how to read it yet. I'm going to read it for you.
Joe got it.
Very good. No, come here. Caleb has it. Read it.
Got it.
I didn't have video.
Read it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no. Caleb got hurt.
Oh, it's okay, buddy. You know what? I got Band-Aids at home. Just be super brave and tough, and when we got home, I'll put a Band-Aid on, okay?
Read it. Hurts a little bit.
Well, he's holding it really tight, and that will stop the blood from coming out.
We should
What's
go.
the next clue?
Now we're
No
here.
more blood.
Okay, guys, look. Shadinia's going to figure it out.
We're on Thruston Road. Now we should go to Green Playground. Yep. The Green Playground.
Where's the Green Playground?
It's over there. Follow this.
Okay, go ahead.
No.
Green playground.
Oh, green playground. Why don't we go? Let's don't go that way.
Guys, look it.
Yeah, let's don't go down the hole. Let's go around that way.
Maybe it's on the playground. Maybe it's on the playground somewhere.
There we go.
Hey, Appa. Can you read it? Yes, you can read it. Because I'm a big boy than all of you guys. Actually, Emma's.
Hi. You're a pie.
And I'm a pie also.
Yeah,
Me
all
too.
you guys are.
There you go, buddy.
No, I can do this.
There's a two.
No, the tape is really hard. Just do, like, whip it open like I did last time. All right. I can do it.
Including the
Sure, I can do
Correct.
this. Matthew, can I just open it? It's really hard to get the book, okay? I'm 5 years old. It's still 4. I know I can open this.
Nana, go see. Go see the map and read. Where to go?
Blue playground. Blue playground. And there's supposed to be 2 playgrounds. Yeah. The blue one.
Okay, come down.
The blue one.
Blue playground.
Yeah.
And they're off.
Lots of playground.
I found it. Where was it? It was on top, maybe up top there. On that side. It says, be careful. Big rock on island. Big rocks on island. Big rock on island, guys. Okay.
So we got to go down this way.
This way.
No, but I will.
You can catch up. Yeah.
Careful, look. Big rock. There's a big rock. Yeah. Well, there's a big rock. When I'm gonna be bigger, I'm gonna be. That's a big rock. I see a huge one.
Come on, everybody.
So where did we just go?
We just came here, and we are on this.
Okay.
And then we have to go
That way.
down.
Out to Georgetown.
Hey,
everybody, we're going to Georgetown.
Okay, nobody run, because if you run, you're going to get hit by a big rock. Sorry. I had to run because my shoe came untied. Wait, I know where we are.
You do.
Go to HUC, and my friend's house is close to here. I don't have to look at the
Okay,
map
here we go.
now, because I know where we are.
Where is
All right, let's
the rock?
orient the map this way. We are right here, everybody. So,
So-
where do you think we need to go? We're right here.
To Oscar's house right now.
No, here. We are here.
Yeah.
Which way we should
We
go?
need to go to the yellow circle.
This side.
This side.
Yeah, very good. Yes.
Good.
Find the
Down
rock.
the side.
Okay, don't run, Grady. We'll say yellow on the door, and I have a race car bed. And my grandpa's at home. All right. Are you okay? Yes. And I know that way right now. Where we are. My friend's name is Marlo.
We have to find the
Right
big
on
rock
the
from Island.
He lives on a private drive.
Find the rock.
Yeah, and here's my
Find the
house.
rock.
Rock. Rock. Yeah, and this is my house. This one, this big one is so big.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
We need a
Come
system
on.
of
See
pulleys and
under
levers.
it.
Is it on top of
Mines.
Where's the map? We'll have to. Here, I got this.
You got me stumped on this one.
Take it off there. Let her. Step up. Yep, step up.
Looking, buddy. Keep looking.
Maybe we got to move some things around.
Oh!
Check it out.
We have to move some things around, you guys. Hey, Caleb! I found a pig nose!
Wait, what was under that?
What's that?
It's
Yes.
a pig nose!
Yay! Got it.
So, we're right there,
Okay.
and now we need to go
The
back home,
uptown.
and that's number 7, Caleb's house. Oh yeah, okay, so we need to go.
No, read it.
Okay, so we had Caleb's house at Isabel's house.
Isabel's house at Caleb's house, right?
Alright.
Where's Isabel's house and Caleb's house?
Oh, I know, it's a toy house! Toy house! Oh,
All right, let's safely cross the street.
Hey, my house!
Careful, everyone.
to the treasure. Hello, ma'am. You can go to the treasure now.
The treasure. Whoa! I'll pick the diamond. I need to pick a sucker.
Bring it out.
No, I have to bring it out. I bring it out. Guys, it says Legos. Legos in here. There's Legos in here. Can you let me get out, please? There's Legos in here. Can you let me get out? Hey, Isabel, it's mommy in the costume. That's all. It's mommy in the costume. That's silly.
You guys found the treasure!
Open it up.
What's in there?
Wait. There's enough for everyone. There's enough for everyone. So everyone can have a dinosaur, one sucker, and a bag of gummies. Caleb, don't pull that out yet. Would you like a dinosaur?
But there is some nut here.
What's the note say?
I want the dinosaur.
Will, do you want a scrap dactyl?
Oh, you want to have a dactyl? Can you get it? What could it be? What is it? Is that the one you wanted? Yay!
So awesome!
Dinosaur hop!
Oh, did someone buy those for you?
You got a scrap Yep.
Is this yours?
And so I told my mom, flaxseed in my pancakes again? That's funny. Kids to kids. And my tail fell off.
Oh no.
Brush.
Ow.
Oh, guys, be careful. These are really sharp.
I eat sharp, pointy things for lunch.
Me too. Where is the sharp? Oh, I have a Sharpie. I just need to bite you, big T-Rex.
We are the kings of this jungle.
A leaf. I eat a leaf. Crunchy crunch. Super kick. I'm trying to bit you. Spike. Missing it. Yes. Oh, I got it. Somebody, I'm stuck up here in the woods. Can somebody help me? Can it from down there?
Yeah, I can help you. I'll shake the tree.
Wow.
Did you come down?
Boing, boing,
So, what do you have here, Caleb?
Oh, it's Jurassic. A new Jurassic. There's some cool pieces. Like this bag is really cool because so I'm gonna start opening it. Guys, where's Caleb? Right here. Here's this, which is gonna be the truck. Some more of the truck. Oh, here's this dinosaur.
That's cute.
And here's one construction. And now here's the other construction. There's only two constructions. And now this is part of some person. And now stickers. Alright, that's it. But how are we going to put this together? Kids, I know, with the constructions. And you guys, kids, do you see some water?
Mm-hmm.
That is where the Mosasaurus is. So first we're going to do this construction.
Okay, so you want to get some scissors?
Yeah.
Looks like the dinosaur, the man, the semi, and then this thing.
Okay.
And then we use number 1.
Okay. Oh, here's the number 1.
Okay.
Here's the number 1, number 2, and number 0, and number 4, and number 5, or number 3.
Okay.
And there's only 4 bags. So let's start building, kids. I don't need people. I'm just a baby dinosaur.
Okay, and if you squeeze down. Ah!
But now where is that?
I have no idea. High five. Now you want to do the next
Double
one?
high five.
Now you want to do the next one?
Like this. Yay!
Okay.
You're like Mickey. Yes, they're like Mickey. Yes. Oh, Lala.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Oh, Lala. Lala, Lala. Back, 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 back. We're gonna be done in no time.
I hope.
Red, brown, pig. That's mine.
Top and middle.
That's mine. Look what happened to my finger.
Awesome job, Caleb.
Yeah, we're almost.
Can you push that one down a little bit?
We're done with that bag, and then we have to do that bag, and then we're done with that, and then we're all done finished. Alright, I'm gonna show Mom.
Alright, let's put all this side. You want to see if it works?
Yeah.
Alright. Show the kids. Cool. Hey, hey. Double high five. We did it.
Yeah. Yeah. Auntie.
That is awesome.
What the heck? Dinosaurs know how to do this? Do that. Do that. Do that. That's not how it works. Push the green. How about it rides on it? There, there, go. There. Take that dinosaur out. My favorite dinosaur. It's running down the tree. Papa. 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 Mama. Oh, banana. Bye, kids. We'll build all of this the rest tomorrow on morning.
See any dinosaurs?
Yeah. They're right there. I see them.
Okay, come back down. I've got the goat. Let's go get him.
Okay. Walk, 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 walk. Wing. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna keep a watch on the go. Okay. I'm gonna drive it. If they go away, I'm gonna just find them. Okay. Now let's get this windshield on. Okay. All right. Let's go get those dinosaurs.
Okay, let's hide. Shh, hide behind this log. Let's wait for the T-Rexes to come.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's a goat. Yummy. I'll just bite its head off.
It's a trap! Lock him in.
Lock him. Somebody help me!
Whoa, that is so cool.
Mommy.
She's on the computer.
Yeah. Baby blue goes right there.
What are you doing?
Look it, you have to take this out. What the heck? This is massive. And now I do this.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Cool.
Yeah, cool.
What's that thing do?
Zap. And he's real mean. And look it, he has a cut on his face.
So he's the mean guy?
The bad guy.
Oh, what's he gonna do?
Zap the dinosaurs.
Ooh.
Even the not the baby dinosaur. There. I'm gonna zap the kids. Zap. Get out of the dinosaur truck. Yeah.
Like this? Oh, cool.
Yeah.
That is awesome. Beep, 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 beep. That's so cool.
Yeah.
It's gonna have to happen.
Uh-oh, what's he gonna do? Oh!
Teachers did it!
Here. Ready? Bye-bye, goldfish.
I can make a mess.
He made a mess. Yeah.
Come on, friends.
Here, pull it out.
Tom, so it was in an egg, right?
Well, it was in an egg. Can you pull it out?
It was in an egg, and then it hatched out of the egg, and then we took the egg out. Whoa! Is it squishy?
Show Isabel. She loves it.
Squishy.
Hi, toy dinosaur.
Isabel, here, you want to touch it? Isabel.
Eat it.
Isabel.
Oh, you're squishing me. Get this train off. Oh, yeah. Oh no, the truck's going into an accident. Oh no, when did that happen? Now that. Let's get this dinosaur out and bring him to home. And he's hiding under because so the dinosaur world doesn't see him. Alright. And she's gonna hide up over here. No, the dinosaur can't find him.
Ah, he found me.
Has anybody seen my blue dinosaur? Have you seen it?
No.
Is it on my head?
Ah.
Hi guys, I'm Chris Pratt. I want to tell you a joke. I'm a really funny guy. Why did the cow jump over the moon? Ah! Ah, yeah,
Meow, meow.
Pew, 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 pew. Zap.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah, we found a roly-poly.
I thought we were trying to get dinosaurs.
Okay. What? I see a teeny tiny ant.
Stay focused, guys. Stay focused. Let's get this dinosaur out of here before more dinosaurs come.
We don't have any police. Okay. We don't have any police. Okay. Let's go. Someone, anyone, get me out of here. Right now! What was that? Wait, I'm gonna crash! Wake up! Our truck crashed. Are you okay? Wait. I'm free. I'm free. I can't believe it. I'm free. Yes. I can go home now. Hey you, dinosaur. Stop. Get back here. Stop right now or I'll shoot. That's it. Now come back here. Never. Run! Hey dinosaur, this is not over. We're gonna find you and all your friends. Did you hear me? This is not over. Let's get this volcano started. This feels weird. Like jello. Oh gosh, this is so sticky. Yay, Missy, dirty! Kids, do you want to get dirty? two kids.
Hey, what are you doing over here? I want some water. This water is for my friends.
You'll go back in your cave because you, at nighttime, you come out from a long time.
I don't want to come out at nighttime. I want to drink this. Me and my friends want to drink this water now.
Fine. Take it too.
Hey, you, get over here. You're on the wrong side. This is for me and my friends.
But that's where I always live. It has plants. And I eat plants because
I don't care. Get out of here. This is my side. We're not friends. Do you want to fight?
Sure.
Hey, Blue, help me, my tail fell off. Hey!
Baby dinosaur, come over here!
Hey, baby dinosaur, you come over here. We fight. Fight. Get off my friend!
Oh no, my tail's almost off. No!
Oh, I need help. Oh, my tail's gone and my wing's gone. Hey! Stay away from my friends. Come on, Blue.
Oh no, my leg is almost gonna fall off.
Come on. Stay away from
Well,
my
you
friends.
can't even close your mouth, but I can. And open my mouth.
I can't close my mouth. Just stay in your side of the rocks, and it will stay on my side of the rocks.
Fine. One day my little dinosaurs will come help you. Mr. Buddy and Mr. What about this guy? This guy has a hard head. He will protect himself and it has spikes in the back.
I'm scared of him.
One day
It's
we'll
pretty
fight.
scary. All right, good night. Yeah, let's go steal some dinosaurs. They're all sleeping now. It's nighttime.
Yeah, sure, dude. Okay, we're here now. So we're here in the hunt with the dinosaurs.
I'm gonna shock this dinosaur and then.
No, I'll help you. Hey, my tail is on backwards. Pew! Pew, 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 pew.
Okay, he's stunned. We stunned him. Let's put him in the semi.
Okay. Simba, can you come over here? Simba, can you come over here? Be quiet, everybody.
All right, put him inside.
Yeah, we got him.
We got him. Are you gonna get that baby? Yeah. Okay, get the baby.
I see some.
Grab him.
Okay.
Shh, be quiet. We don't want to wake up the dinosaurs. We got it. Oh, I see more dinosaur eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Right here, put it in the basket. No, this one.
We got it. We got the dinosaur. We got a dinosaur and a baby dinosaur.
Oh, for me to do an experiment on. Perfect. Go get some more dinosaurs.
Okay. I have a good idea. Let's capture this guy.
Capture
Blue.
Blue. Zzz, zzz.
Yahoo!
Get this big dinosaur out. Put him in the cage. Put him in jail.
And all of them came alive. Hey, get out of here! No, we're in this! No, we're in this!
Let's get this dinosaur right here. Ready? Come. Right, hey, get up! Help! Somebody!
Nobody's gonna help you, dude. We got something for your experience.
I don't want to be here. Eat the chicken. Come on outside.
Yummy chicken. Yummy, yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Uh-oh, what the heck is happening? I wonder why these cages are closing. I'm trapped forever. No. Tap, 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 tap. Oh no, we can't fly. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, we're here. Oh no, now what can I do? Now what can I do? Here we go. Hey, where am I? Oh no, I'm in base. I can't get out. What am I supposed to do? Everybody, wake time. Hey, what happened to all of our family and all of the babies and all of the baby eggs? Wait a second. Are you kidding me? Yes, look at what happened. Oh no, what happened? Oh no, our family and the eggs are gone. Only left is big T-Rex and snake.
Wake up, wake up. Hey, where's all the eggs? Where's all our friends?
Where's all of our family? Where's all of the baby eggs? Where's all of the baby dinosaurs?
Everyone's gone. I think the bad dinosaurs took it. Let's go get them. I think they took it. Hey, where's our eggs and family? We know you stole it.
No, we didn't. Oh, the humans over there, we were sleeping. And we didn't even wake up one time.
The humans took it?
Yeah, those guys over there took it.
Humans. Should we go get him back?
Yes.
But I don't like you.
But we come on our side and then we'll work together and be friends. And then if we do that, all of our family will come back.
Oh, that's a good idea. Should we be friends with them? Well, I miss Blue.
Oh yeah, definitely. I know you guys missed your friend Pterodactyl.
Yes, I miss Pterodactyl. All right, let's work together and go save them.
Yeah.
Hey, there's your first friend. It's my friend, the Pterodactyl.
There's our brother right there.
Guys,
Yes.
I'm stuck in jail.
That's okay.
Help, guys, I'm stuck. Can you get me out?
Yeah.
Yes! Ah!
Oh no, it's Joe.
Ah, we got the door open. Come on, Blue, come on. Get your brother. Get your brother on your back.
Baby Blue, come out.
Ah!
Oh no, what's happening? This dinosaur got out. I think it's a T-Rex. I got it. Brando on my back. Alright, it's on my back. Let's go get some more eggs. Oh no, it's T-Rex. Get it, get it, get it. Everybody shoot the dinosaur. Shoot it, shoot it.
Here I come, here I come.
You won't get me.
Ah! I'll bring my claw, my crane.
Oh, you won't even cook me.
Oh!
Quick, you know all the dinosaur eggs.
Oh no, this is horrible. He's stealing all the eggs. Oh, that's good coffee.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, let's get out of here.
No, wait. The blue and the two baby dinosaurs.
Blue, get on my back. Blue's on my back.
Okay. Here we go. All right, let's put that dark dinosaur on my back.
Okay,
Ah.
over here.
Okay, there we go. Okay, I got that baby dinosaur. All right, Blue, I know you can do this. Oh gosh, we forgot pterodactyl.
You're free.
Let's pretend the pterodactyl was sick because she got Jurassic too.
Okay.
I'm sick.
Alright, come on, let's go. Everyone back home.
Everybody's back. We're friends now. We got everybody home.
Yay, high five.
Uh-oh.
High five.
Yahoo. We got everybody back. And now we come back to you.
Look at this. This place is trashed. They destroyed our experiments and our glass in our window.
Hey, look what happened to this. I wonder if that's one of the T-Rexes. The bad one or the good one? I think that's the bad one.
Let's go get those dinosaurs and our eggs back.
Yeah, dude.
We want our dinosaur eggs you stole.
Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. We want to give those back, dude.
Get in the cage.
Oh. Dude. Oh, sweet.
Oh, we're gonna fight you. We don't want to. No, you took our kids.
Let's make some big holes. No, I can make even bigger.
Okay, good job. You made big holes. Here, shoot a net. I got a
Get
net
this
on
helicopter.
Me. Get this helicopter.
Yeah.
Get this side inside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the guy.
I'm gonna get the guy off the helicopter. No way, dude. There's no.
Get out!
Yeah.
I got this guy's head. What is it? What is it?
Volcano! Hey, you can erupt! Get out of here, everybody! The volcano's gonna erupt. Oh no! What's gonna happen? Oh no! Oh gosh! Oh no! This is horrible! Oh gosh! All of this! Oh no! All of the bubbles! There's bubbles coming! Alright. We see.
Get out of here! The volcano's erupting!
Oh, this is so good. Make more bubbles.
It's erupting! We're gonna die! The volcano's erupting!
Oh no, what's happening? Hey, what did this do? Mommy!
Every man for them, boys, and children for themselves!
Ow.
The volcano's erupting!
Ouch! Bubbling. Yeah, what's this? Bubbles! Lava! Yeah.
The lava's grabbing!
Shoot. I need to go save them. Erupted! Oh no, my clothes are getting all wet and soggy. Put some more water in. I'm erupting! It's erupting! Look at that big mess.
Oh, everyone's dying.
Oh, bleh. Oh no, the lava got everybody. Yeah. Sure, I died. The volcano wins in the end. please subscribe and watch more videos on my channel. Kids to Kids.